Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can recover your permanently deleted files in Windows. So first, you want to go to your Microsoft Store, and then going to the search bar, you type in Windows File Recovery. After that, you can go to the first one here, and you can install it. I've installed it already, so I'm just going to click Open now. Click Yes. Alright, so this window should pop up, and what you want to do is you need to type WinFR and then type in the drive location that you want to search your file in. So for example, I'm going to search my file in the C drive, so I type in C, and then I'm going to put the recovered files in the other drive, which is E drive. So this is basically the drive that you want to search the file in, and this is the drive that you want to put the recovered files in. Alright, and then you type in /n asterisk and dot, and then you want to type in the file type. For example, for me it's PDF. You can type in MP4, MP3 and other stuff, and I'm gonna hit enter. Alright, so as you can see, you can continue now. Press Y, and as you can see, because I have no files that I wanna recover, so it says that no recoverable files were found with this mode. So it might not work sometimes, but if you actually think that you have the file type in the same drive, then it should work. But for me, I don't have any files that I want to recover, so it says that I have no recoverable files. Okay, so now you know how to recover your permanently deleted files in Windows. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.